You are welcome again. Now that you've known that these are templates and you know what's on the hamburger menu, the same with the button navigation tab. Now you are going to go click the plus sign, and then now what you want to do. All right, you can see that Canva has given you the dimensions for some of the design that you can do. All right, they are showing us our logo, what we just did. So you want to continue design from there, from your own media. You can start something with Pixel Lab and complete with Canva. You can start something with Canva and complete with Pixel Lab. So so it depends on how you want to do it. All right, so now I'm going to customize. For me, I'll customize and then use a very high dimension, 3600, not 36,000, 3600. So I'm going to create a new design. So you can choose in pixels. All right, so I think I may need to go there again. All right, I may need to go there again. I just used pixels, so I think I may need to go back home so that I'll go back home and try. All right, you can see this. So you can choose pixels, inches, millimeter, centimeter, right? Depending on what you want to do. So don't forget that. So this is pixels. So if you want inches, it shouldn't be as much as this. All right. So this is actually for a social media post, so that's why I used it. So I'm going to create it. So after creating it, so this is how to create your design space. A white canvas, a blank canvas for you to start your design on. And then the next thing I'm going to do, you can click your plus sign, this plus sign here. All right, so it's telling me already. You can click your plus sign. Now plus sign means I want to add elements to this design. All right, so is it a template I want to do? Is it a template I want to add? You can see a lot of some templates here already for you. Build your brand. You can see digital marketing, whatever. Maybe you are having an online class and you want to do this. You can see logo designs. Wow, these are awesome designs you can use for yourself. All right, so when we come to logo, we are going to still talk about that with Canva. You can see awesome. That's why I said you can apply for a pro account. You get a pro account. If you have the money, you can pay directly. But if you want to join a team, then you reach out to me. I think just 3,000 I will be able to get you added to a team. All right, so you can see a lot of templates here. Now this is for templates. This is design. So you want to add an element. This is a design you want to add. This is the tab here. You can see it below here. Then if you want to add elements like shapes, lines, pictures, you click this element here. All right, so now what do you want to add? You can see the ones I recently used here. What you want to add, is it shapes? There are lots of shapes. You can click see all to see more shapes. Is it a graphic you want to add? You can see lots of graphics here for you to add. You can click there to see more or search. All right, so if you want to generate AI image, you can generate your own. I have a luxury because I'm a team member. All right, so is it a sticker you want to use, especially when you're creating videos? All right, so think something like this. Subscribe, you see, you can see stickers. All right, so because this won't work for static whatever static graphics. All right, so photos. All right, photos. If you want to add a photo, you can check. Now you can also search for what you want to add. All right, so you can see audios. If it's an audio want to add, is here. It's charts, a lot of things. Is a frame. When we begin to design, we are going to see how these are used. All right, so these are just the categories of elements. I've told you already before, elements are building blocks of a design. Elements are building blocks of a design. So all these things, you can pick one or two of them and use. They come together to form what you call a design. All right, so these elements include text. Anyway, yes, they are text. So you can see text in the next tab here. So you want to add the text. A brand kit, you can see text. You can see this shining. This is, you can just pick any type you want to use, or if it's a normal text you want to, you can just add the text box. All right, so you can change the font, add the text box and change the font, or you can add a particular type. All right, you can add a particular type. You can add a particular type of font. You can see all the ones you have here. You can check them, and then from gallery, you want to add an image from gallery. You want to add something directly from gallery. All right, so you can do that from this side. You can choose images. You can also choose videos if you want to add them. All right, so brand. All right, I've not been using this. If you want to set up a brand tone, a brand kit, put the logo, put the fonts, I've not really used it before. You can see no photos set up, nothing. All right, you can try that out. Yeah, I've not used it before, so let me not say what I've not done. All right, so if you want to upload images to Canva, like you want to upload images and keep them for use, this is where you upload them. You can see upload here, click upload, and then you upload. I've uploaded some of these images. All right, so for use for design, so you can upload them. So before you use for design, or if you want to upload directly to a design or pick from gallery, you can just go to gallery, but I prefer uploading here so that you can revisit it anywhere in the world. All right, with another device you can also access it. All right, even if the picture is not on the device, you are loading them to be stored on the cloud or in the cloud in Canva. All right, so you want to draw something, and you're okay, just draw, normal draw. All right, so I think that is that for now. Projects, that is the projects we've done. Apps.
Alright, apps are actually additional features provided by Canva for you to have a very smooth experience. Alright, so you could check them out for yourself and see how it is.
So in the next video, when you click this other side, it's just what we have, recent designs. You have some designs here I've made already. You can click to go back to your design. You can rename this design and save it, and it's going to be a project here too. All right, so your projects shared with you and stuff like that. So I think that's that for the moment. All right, so in the next class we are going to have talked about, now if you finish your design, how you're going to save, what you're going to do when you're making a particular design. That's going to be done in the next class. All right, so I'll see you there.